Welcome to Laravel 6 Creating a Simple User Management App, where you will learn to create a Laravel app very easily. My name is Pritom and I'll be a trainer for this course. I am a web development trainer and I have been giving training since 2016. I designed this course for anyone who wants to learn Laravel and start their career in web development. By end of this course, you will be able to make a user management application in Laravel and feel confident about yourself that you can be a Laravel developer too. I will be teaching from start, like how to install Laravel app, then how route works, how the MVC structure works, migrations and CRUD operations, and finally build a user management application. The ideal student for this course is web designers or computer background students or anyone who wants to build their career in web development or want to start freelancing or want to be an entrepreneur in IT sector. Feel free to check out the course description and I look forward to see you in the course. Thank you.